So I have a severe clothing addiction. Hello everybody, my name's Maddie and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going through my clothes. All of them. So I love to thrift and I love to shop. I'm just a girl who loves to shop. And so my art/clothing room has become a lot. And I'm really embarrassed to look at it or to show anybody. So yeah. That's part of it. And there's the other part of it. So yeah, my art room's bad. It's gotten really bad. So my solution, because every time I try to go through clothes and try to get rid of clothes and I go through stuff in there, I get rid of some of it, but there's still so much that's overwhelming. So I'm literally taking it all out and putting it on a blanket, and then we're gonna sort. We're gonna sort it, and if I don't love something, it's going. I saw somebody on TikTok do this and it worked really well for them, and I think that's just what I need to do, because I still want to be able to shop, but every time I shop I bring home more clothes and then it's just like a never-ending cycle. So I'm bringing you with me as motivation. So let's get to the floor. I own huskies, so I'm taking this blanket, I'm just going to lay it over my carpet, because even if I sweep, it's still going to be covered in clothes. And this blanket is not going to be big enough. I'm going to have to find something else or maybe do it in parts, I don't know. But that blanket is not going to be big enough, so. Well, this isn't even all of it. This is just from my dresser. And I think part of the reason why there's a lot is some of it is fall and winter stuff, and then some of it is summer stuff. It's like all mixed together. And I don't really, the whole separating my clothes for seasons doesn't really work for me, because then next season comes around I completely forget about them. So, which is probably a sign that I should get rid of them, but it's fine. I'm not gonna do that again. I'm not gonna put it separated. So I just have to get rid of enough stuff so I have enough room. So yeah, this is just the dresser. I still have the chair and I still have the closet. So, wish me luck. I'm gonna do a little speed reel and I'm gonna listen to Bridgerton. So, see ya. Here's my problem, is I wore this and it's got a skirt that matches it. It's probably in this pile somewhere. And I wore it like in high school. I'm 20, almost 24, but it's so cute. It's a two-piece set. when am I gonna ever wear this? But I want to keep it just in case I have to wear it to something. But I'm keeping it. I'm sorry. That's just, I'm a hoarder. I get it. I'm a hoarder. And then also I wanted to show you. Oh, it's dirty. It needs to be washed. I made this shirt. Let me see if I can show you. It says, I'm just a little guy who loves Beatles, Beatle fan club. You can't really see it very well, but you know, I made it, so I'm keeping that shit. It just needs to be washed. Anyways, back to the previous scheduled program. I just bought this shirt. It says Midwest till death. It's so cute. I love it so much. Obviously gonna keep it. What I'm doing right now is over here is keep. Over here is maybe / get rid of. And I think whatever I'm gonna get rid of, I'm just gonna throw it far away so I don't reconsider. So. Again, wore this in high school, and I guess I was like 18 when I got this Adidas shirt. I don't really want to get rid of it because it's Adidas, and what if I want to wear it again? This is a sleep shirt, and it is for like a biker club. It says Hog's Breath on it. It's pretty cool. But it's a sleepy shirt, kind of, so that obviously is not going anywhere. I don't wear turtlenecks very much anymore because I don't really like the way they look, but I feel like I should have one. So here's one of them. I have two in this pile. I'll get rid of the other one, I think. But this one's like a ribbed one. I'm gonna keep this one, and I think the other one's right here. And I've had this turtleneck for a very long time. You've probably seen pictures of me in it before, but I think it's time to let her go. Because I have another one that I like the fit better, even though I don't really wear turtlenecks very often. I need, like I said, I just need one, because what if I want to wear like a certain kind of outfit, like with a skirt or whatever. But yeah, so that's, I got rid of something. Be proud of me. I don't wear this Champion sweatshirt very much, but I got it the day that my friend died, and so that is why I hold on to it. Yep. Also, my mom got me this little Christmas llama shirt, and you know what? It's good to have one Christmas shirt, so here she is. She's got Christmas llamas on it, and my mother got it for me, and anytime my mom gets me anything, even if I don't like it, I keep it. This is another thing my mom got me. I don't ever really wear this color. I wore this once to like ballet, but see, my mom got it, gave it to me. It used to be hers, she didn't like it, so she gave it to me, and now I feel guilty wanting to get rid of it. So I'm putting it in the maybe pile, which the maybe pile is growing a little bit. I can see myself removing some of these items though and putting it into a keep, but we're waiting the end. That'll be a problem for later me. But yeah, so I'm putting it in the maybe pile. There's a chance that I'm going to put it back because I feel guilty. Again, I got this in high school, and I used to actually wear it, like no joke, would wear this. It is actually kind of cute. It's got little kitties on it and stuff, and it's Halloween themed. But, you know, I'm keeping it, sorry. I need a Halloween shirt, I need a Halloween shirt. Okay, so there's these pair of pants that I got a while ago, and I like them. I filmed a video. I think they're fun, but I don't know if they're really like the vibe I'm going for. So I think, unfortunately, I'm going to rehome them. I just want to get better pants that actually fit me too. So those ones are going. I don't know. I don't know. This one is a little raunchy, I will say. Okay, I cleared it. So all I have that I got rid of is this pile. It's a pretty big pile though, so I'm proud of myself. That was just my cabinet or my dresser, so I have to do the closet and the chair next. I think I'm gonna make this into 2 parts, so if you liked this video, please like and comment and maybe even subscribe, I don't know. But yeah, I really need to get rid of stuff and declutter my life. I think it's gonna help with my mental health and just life quality in general, so, and it gives me an opportunity to buy more clothes. Just kidding, I'm joking. But anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.